Okay, I wasn't really going to show this, but you know what? I know you want to see me finish this project.
Boy, what a little pile.
Now see, yeah, see that looks pretty much the same as the other stuff. Think I got lucky, huh?
Yep.
Let's get this show on the road. Now I should have plenty. I'll have to get my other bags out. I got 4 bags here. Yes, Mother, you gonna help me?
I'm gonna pick up the bags.
You wanna rake some for me? What a nice mother. She's gonna help me here. I got two rakes here. I'm gonna have her help me so we can get this done. I'm gonna spread this out evenly, make sure I get a good coverage, and then I'll take the excess bark and put a once over on top of here and get a good base, and then I'll be done. Ooh. That's a good mother. Keep it going. Good. We're doing pretty good here. See, got a nice coverage here. Pretty good anyways. And I'm going to put a little bit more here. We've already gone through an extra 3 bags. This is the 4th bag already of extra. I'm going to save a little bit in the bag in case we need some more in here. Okay. We can push that around. There's our 4 extra bags. And now I think we've got enough. Oh yeah, let's get this thing done.
That might have been void and normal.
See how much fuller I have it right in there now? See, you can almost make it flush to the concrete edge, because after it rains or after a while, it kind of will flatten out. So see, I've got a little pile right here. Got a little bit too much there. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna take it back over in here, okay? Let's see how that's just gonna finish off everything. Having it up a little bit better will make it last a lot longer.
Yay!
Good job, Mother.
Thank you, Joe.
Look what she's done for her church.
Thank you, Joe.
She's put it all together with my help, of course, her son, VideoJoe. We got everything cleaned up. Do a good job, do a little trimming, and you too can do this. Be a volunteer, help your church out. Way to go, Mother.
Thank you. you. Thank you very much.
Okay, now I guess we're onward to your house so I can do those plantings for you, huh?
Yes.
Maybe I'll make another video. What do you know?
Yes, you should.
And what else did we get at Lowe's? For your refrigerator.
My refrigerator. The
Filter.
filter for the water.
The water filter. So I might, hey, stick around. I might show you how to do that too. Because if you don't know how to do that, Joe will show you that as well.
I think I'll watch Joe because he's not around all the time.
Yeah, you might be able to learn something. Even you, Mother.
Yes.
And thanks, by the way, for breakfast, for helping you out at your local church.
Yes.
Okay, let's get out.
God bless you. And God bless America.